Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make curry ramen the only way. First, we'll build a flavorful foundation. Begin by sautéing your favorite curry paste with fresh garlic and ginger until their aromas fill your kitchen. Then, deglaze the pan with creamy coconut milk and a robust chicken or vegetable broth, stirring to combine all those wonderful flavors. This creates the essential, rich base for our delicious ramen. Next, let's prepare the heart of our ramen. Cook your ramen noodles in a separate pot until they reach that perfect al dente bite, then set them aside. Now, introduce your chosen protein, perhaps thinly sliced chicken breast or firm tofu, directly into the simmering curry broth. Allow it to cook gently, absorbing all the incredible flavors, ensuring it's tender and fully cooked. Now it's time to elevate our ramen's profile. Stir in a dash of soy sauce for umami depth and a squeeze of fresh lime juice to brighten the flavors. Add your favorite fresh vegetables, such as crisp bok choy or earthy mushrooms, allowing them to soften slightly in the warm broth. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed, ensuring a perfectly balanced and savory experience. Finally, let's bring it all together for serving. Carefully place your perfectly cooked ramen noodles into a deep, inviting serving bowl. Generously ladle the rich, hot curry broth, complete with its tender protein and vibrant vegetables over the noodles. Finish with your favorite garnishes, like fresh cilantro, a perfectly soft-boiled egg, and a drizzle of chili oil for an extra kick. Enjoy your incredible curry ramen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.